Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and you can see your main messaging screen, you'll want to access your profile settings to manage your blocked contacts. Look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. This will open up your account settings where you can customize various aspects of your Signal experience and manage your privacy preferences. From your profile settings, tap on Privacy. This section contains all the controls related to your privacy and security on Signal, including who can contact you and who you've previously blocked from reaching out. Now within the privacy menu, tap on Blocked. This option takes you to a list of all the contacts you've blocked on Signal. Here you can review everyone you've restricted from messaging you and decide if you want to give them access again. You'll now see a list of all the people you've blocked. Browse through this list and tap on the person you want to unblock. This action will select that specific contact and prepare the app to reverse the block you previously set. After selecting the person, a confirmation message will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you want to proceed with unblocking this contact. This is Signal's way of making sure you don't accidentally unblock someone. Simply tap Unblock to confirm your decision, and that's it. You've successfully unblocked the person on Signal, and they can now message you and call you again through the app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.